morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay, so children, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 2nd. Okay, so in the previous lecture we have completed lesson number 11, nouns wala, ठीक है? Now we are starting chapter number 12 is present, past and future. Okay, so what our chapter number 12 is? Present, past and future, right? So what is the meaning of present tense, children? Do you know? See on the page number 56 in your workbook here. It is written, right? See, tenses are forms of verbs that tell us about the actions took place. We know that the present tense tells us about actions taking place now in present. Present tense का मतलब क्या होता है? The things which take the actions which takes place now, that is known as present tense. जो चीजें present में होती हैं, अभी हो रही है, that is known as present tense. Okay. Now we use the present tense to talk about actions that are habits and to state things are always true. Means actions जो तुम्हारी habit से you do every day and the things which are true. Okay, जो हमेशा true है, गलत नहीं है, that is known as that comes in a present tense. For example, sun rises in the east. Yes, so that is a true, right? Sun कभी west में नहीं आता है, east में ही आएगा. It daily comes, rises in the east only, right? So we are going to study present tense. Now see, complete the sentences using the correct present tense verb. Here we have given here brackets and we have to put correct verb in the correct fill in the blanks. Okay. Now see, what is the first? Drives, sweeps, shut, know, see and tests. Okay, so we have given here this brackets. Okay, so we have to fill up the blanks. Now see, what is the first number? The candy blanks good. Candy, right? तुम लोग खाते हो ना candy, कुल्फीज, you eat ice creams, right? So the candy taste, you like it, like the candy's taste, yes or no? Yes. So the candy, हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा फर्स्ट नंबर पे? This one. The candy tastes good, right? Understood? Now next, you blank all the poems. Okay, so someone knows all the poems. You tell to your friends, right, that you know all the poems. Yes or no? Yes. Now see third number. I blank a very large bee. Now what our answer will be? Third number. I see means you saw a big, very large bee, right? You have seen like this. I see a very large bee. Understood? Now next, the sweeper blank the floor. What the sweeper do? Sweeper sweeps the floor, right? So our answer will be sweeps. You can see here, sweeps. The sweeper sweeps the floor. Clear? Now see, what is the fifth number? We never blank the windows. We never blank the windows means we never shut. Shut means बंद करना. Okay. So we never shut the windows. Okay, clear up till here? And the last sixth number is the driver blank us to school every day. So what does the driver do? Driver drives. So driver drives us to school every day. Clear up till this? Okay, now see on the page number 56. This is 57. This one. What we have learned is this is simple present tense. Okay. अब हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? Present continuous tense. Okay. Now see, what does that tell us about actions that are still happening and not yet over are said to be in the present continuous tense. Means जो चीजें अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुई है. For example, I was teaching before also for 5 minutes and now also it is going on. Yes or no? Yes. So it is continuous tense. Now see, in the fill in the blanks, what we are going to use? Is and are. हम is कब यूज करते हैं? When we use is, when it is singular with he, she, it. Okay, and when it is plural, we, you, they. At that time what we use? We use things. Okay. Now see what is the first number? It is the monkey blank from the tree. Okay, monkey. Here you can see only one monkey and here it is written monkey. It is not like this. अगर यहाँ पे monkey की जगह पे monkeys होता है, if it will be monkeys, so what we are going to use? We will use are. But it is monkey. So the monkey is. See in your bracket. Monkey is swinging. Understood? So you will underline this and you will write here. Monkey is swinging. Now see. Second number. The girls blank on the stage. Now here it is again. What is it? It is girls. So girls means there are so many girls. Yes or no? Here you can see. So the girls are. What it will come? It will come are. See in your bracket. The girls are singing on the stage. Understood? Now see third number. We are studying for our test. Why are? Because it is written we. We means it is plural. So many people are there. So we are studying. Understood? Now see fourth number. Sia is. Sia के बाद is क्यों आया? Because here only one girl is there. Only Sia is there, right? So Sia is chasing. Now fifth number. The teachers are teaching poetry. Teacher नहीं है, teachers है. It is written like this. See. Teachers. It is written like this. S means it is a plural. Okay. So teachers are teaching. Yes. Now see next. The dancer is wearing a long skirt. So only one dancer is there. So is आएगा. Next seventh number. See here. What is written? The birds blank in the trees. The birds हैं. There are so many birds, right? It is like this. The birds. So what we will use? We will use are chirping. Understood? Clear up till here? Okay. Now see. Eighth number is the cricketers. Cricketers means there are so many cricketers. Yes or no? Yes. So the cricketers are playing, right? And ninth number is the horse blank in the meadow. The horse. Only one horse is there. Yes or no? Yes. So it is singular. So what we will write? The horse is running. Okay. And the last 10th number is my sister is laughing very loudly. Only one sister is there. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why my sister is laughing very loudly. Okay. So we have completed up till page number 57. Okay. So we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye.